In today's adventure, I visit Avery Island, Louisiana to celebrate a product that dates back to 1865 and is available in more than 180 countries in every single state. We're talking about Tabasco as I visit the Tabasco Plant Museum and Gardens and more. And I'll also get some good food in Breaux Bridge, Louisiana, the heart of Cajun country. Follow along and let's get this adventure started. Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. If you're new here, I offer travel advice. I am a solo traveler and I do vlogs to help you travel better and more efficiently. So on my way to Avery Island, I make a pit stop in Breaux Bridge, Louisiana at this place called Poche's, which has been open since 1962. They have excellent dishes here. They're known for their crawfish fettuccine that they have on Fridays, but this is Thursday, so we're not getting the crawfish fettuccine, but this place has a very interesting lineup of food. You can take a lot of food home. They cook a lot of things here in the back, and this is your hot meals right here that you can pick up. Daily specials, no doubt about it. Of course, I'm going with the etouffee because if you watch enough of my videos, you know I love etouffee. Crawfish etouffee, shrimp etouffee, or any other type of etouffee, and you get two sides as well. So for my two sides, I got potato salad and yams, and I also added a praline. That's right, praline, not praline. Very good stuff though. A little different kind, but yeah, the etouffee was excellent as to be expected, and the two sides were good as well. So I'd give this meal probably about an 8.5 out of 10. And about 50 miles to the southwest of Breaux Bridge, we are indeed at Avery Island, Louisiana, which you will take the back roads to get there to arrive here at the Tabasco plant and center. Now, the Tabasco plant is massive. This entire area is massive, so you will have to do a little driving around. The actual Avery Island experience is broken out into 9 parts, which includes a restaurant, the country store slash museum where you pick up your tickets. There's a greenhouse where you can see where the peppers grow. There's a aging area with the barrels where you can see where the barrels are and where they age them at. And also the bottling plant where you can go in and actually see the workers. There's multiple parts there, including the salt mine experience. We'll see that as well. There's also the Jungle Gardens area, which is more of an outdoors area. If you're lucky, you can see some gators, but you'll see some beautiful gardens, a boat area out this way. And it's just a really beautiful area to go to. There's also an area where you can go hiking back here. So this is a really good, really pretty outdoor area that you can also drive through, which you'll experience in this video as well. And that is also included in the price. I am in Avery Island, Louisiana. We'll take a little tour of the Tabasco plant, Louisiana's famous Tabasco. We're going to go inside. I'm going to go take a tour of the actual factory where they make it. I'm going to go to the museum over here. I'm also going to check out the restaurant. So you just follow along and let's get this adventure started. Many of the beautiful trees you'll find here are southern live oak trees, reserved and protected by the McElhaney family. Founder of tobacco is Edmund McElhaney back in 1868. Museum here, this is where the tour starts, so you want to come right here to start your tour and go in and pick up your tickets, and I'll let you know on the inside how much they charge. Tickets are $15.50 for an adult 18 to 55 years old. If you are 55 and above, you will pay $13.95. If you're a child between age 4 and 18, you'll pay $12.95. And if you're under the age of 4, you will see this museum for absolutely free, do the whole tour. Now, the tour of the museum is where we're going to start at first. The founder of Tabasco sauce is Edmund McElhaney, and his McElhaney family founded Tabasco way back in 1868. The museum tells a lot about the history of the family and the product, and they show lots of clips from different shows, which is actually probably my favorite part of the entire exhibit here at the museum is the clips from different shows, as you can see right here. They basically show clips from every show going back to the late 1800s from the Three Stooges to Shameless to all different types of shows that use Tabasco in different scenes. Really proud of their history and have a great history to be proud of, as this product has been around for so many years and is available in over 180 countries and every single state. The facility is a historical family-run facility going all the way back to 1868. So in this video, I did get to see everything except for the pepper warehouse and the greenhouse facility with the barrels and all. So unfortunately, you won't get to see everything, but you get to see as much as I got to see in a lot of the amount of time that I had at this wonderful facility. This is the country store right next door to the museum. So if you're interested in any souvenir products, there's so many Tabasco souvenir products here. You could also buy all different types of Tabasco products if you want to try out some different ones. But souvenirs galore and souvenirs galore here. Plenty to choose from here. I like the mini Tabasco sauces, so you can always want to try some different ones. Get some minis to take home. All right, so this is the restaurant. They have daily specials. I'm not going to get anything because I did obviously already eat earlier in Brobridge, but we go check it out, see what they got on their menu and what type of specials they got inside. Parts of this are a little distance away, so you do have to get back in the car and drive to the jungle garden. I got my ticket on me. This proves it's your ticket, so you got to hold on to this. So you have this count as your ticket. If you're a big outdoors person, this is definitely going to be your favorite part right here, because it's a beautiful area out here. You can just go out and do a lot of photography and enjoy yourself, because right now I'm going into the museum part here. We'll check this out. All right, folks, this is the factory, and it is massive. Let's go in and check it out. This is a crest right here to signify that Tabasco was served to Queen Elizabeth. That's pretty awesome. Not a lot of people can say they had that product served to the Queen. If you're wondering what this is to honor their employees on how many years of service they have. This is actually where you get to stand and watch the workers work, watch them bottle and put labels on and get ready to ship these out all over the world right here. This is where the work is done. I'm not gonna lie, I wish you could see a little more of them actually making it. This is that little small section where you could kind of watch them bottling and putting it out, but I guess they don't want you disturbing the workers and seeing a bunch of stuff. It's like that in most every plant, but all in all, it's a nice experience. If you'd like to go jogging and walking and see some beautiful stuff on the outdoors, that by itself is worth the money. So I think for 15, but all in all, not a bad experience. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more videos coming out. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. And if you would like to help the channel continue to grow, please consider hitting that join button and becoming a member of the Peace Corps. Get exclusive content and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.